Surprise! Hello, Amani.
Hi.
Have we got a surprise for you?
Yeah.
What is it today? Let's open your surprise.
Yay.
Yay! Let's see what's inside, guys. Yay! Wow, what is it? Wow, check it out, guys. It's a pink horse and carriage set. Princess carriage set. Princess and coach. Wow, what color is it? Blue and pink. I think there's some pink as well.
No, there's some white. There's
Look,
some
white, princess,
yeah.
pink and blue carriage.
Yay.
Wow, look at that beautiful horse, guys. That is so cute. It's for girls. And let's check the back of the box.
Let's see it.
Whoa, look at that. It looks beautiful.
Look, it says here.
Yeah. Oh, it says both doors open. The princess sits in her carriage. Wow. Shall we check it out? Shall we open it? Let's go ahead and open it.
Let's go ahead and open it.
Whoa, check that out, guys. Look at that.
Wow.
That looks so nice. You like it, Amani?
Yeah.
Have we unboxed it now, Amani?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's. Oh, I think we need to take Princess shoes out. There we are.
Ah,
Oh,
that's
sorry.
her
Put the shoes back on.
That's her
Oopsie.
shoes.
Are they her shoes?
That's it.
Wow, look at that.
Wow.
Check it out. Princess. What's that? Oh, there's another pack.
There's another pack.
Let's have a look what you've got. There's the horse. There's Princess Clara. She's got a nice white dress and you've got your horse carriage set. Check it out, guys.
It's a carriage.
Wow, it's glittery, isn't it? Can you see it there? Gold glitters.
Let's
Wow.
put it in.
Are you putting the princess in the carriage? Oh, do the doors open?
She doesn't want to.
Does she not fit in there?
Shall I help you?
She does fit in here.
Bend her legs. Then let's push her in.
Yeah, look at that, guys.
I don't know why they do that.
Can you attach the horse to the carriage?
Yeah, let me just touch your hand with the carriage. Is that a girl?
That's a girl's toy. Do you like pink toys?
Yeah.
Yay.
I like white ones.
White toys as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does this open?
No.
Look at that beautiful horse. Hello, horsey.
He has it. It's right there.
Wow, look at that. Nice. Is the princess going to the ball?
Yeah.
I think she wants to meet Cinderella at the ball.
Elsa.
Amani, find your Elsa toy. I think Elsa wants to go to the ball too. Ooh. Hi, Elsa. Open the door. Oh no, your horse is falling over. Put Elsa in. Does she fit in there? Ooh, I think she just about fits in there. Elsa's fitting in, look.
No, she's lying down.
Okay, now can you shut the door?
Why is this?
Hi, Elsa. Hi, Princess Clara. Look, they're in there. Check it out. Okay.
Oh, he takes it in that way.
The horse is taking Princess Clara and Elsa to the ball. Oh no. Look, Amani. Look. Whee! Whee! Yeah, that's it. Yay. Horse is taking Elsa and Princess to the ball. Check it out, guys. You like it, Amani?
Yes. Wow.
What's that? Horsey, is that you?
No, that's Emma.
It's not your mummy, it's the horsey. Whoa, it's doing wheel spins. Check it out.